In today's video, I'll be discussing the differences between Huel and Herbalife. Watch until the end to know the final verdict on which is better. Let's start with the differences. The main difference between them is the cost. Huel meal replacement powder is slightly more expensive.
Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial.
Costing $75 or $2.21 per serving. Additionally, the Huel ready-to-drink meal replacement is priced at $50.55, and the Huel Black Edition costs $85 or $5 per serving. They offer free shipping on orders over $59. On the other hand, Herbalife is a bit cheaper. The Formula 1 Herbalife meal replacement costs $52.70 or $1.75 per serving. The Herbalife Protein Drink mix costs $84.05 or $2.80 per serving and also offers free shipping. Therefore, Herbalife is slightly cheaper and more affordable. Now, let's compare their nutritional information. Huel has a higher calorie content but less sugar than Herbalife, with 400 calories and 0.9 grams of sugar per serving. It also contains 20 grams of protein and 42 grams of carbs. In addition, Huel meal replacement includes several vitamins, probiotics, and minerals for micronutrients and phytonutrients. In contrast, Herbalife has fewer calories and carbs but a higher sugar content. It contains 90 calories and 9 grams of sugar, along with 9 grams of protein and 13 grams of carbohydrates. The protein in Herbalife is soy isolate, which is beneficial as it contains all essential amino acids. Therefore, Huel has higher concentrations of probiotics and minerals, which boost your immunity and energy levels. Regarding taste, Huel has a very oaty and earthy taste with minimal flavoring. On the other hand, Herbalife is quite sweet due to artificial sweeteners and has familiar, likable flavors. Therefore, Herbalife is tastier for those who prefer strong flavoring. Do they have any similarities? Yes, both offer a variety of flavors to choose from and enjoy. Additionally, both are helpful in weight loss. To sum up, which is better, Huel or Herbalife? What I love most about Herbalife is its taste, especially for someone with a sweet tooth. However, the high sugar content could be unhealthy for people with sugar-related health conditions. On the other hand, Huel meal replacements have a moderate amount of sugar and high concentrations of fiber, minerals, and probiotics. Therefore, I prefer Huel meal replacement over Herbalife. Feel free to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.